Okay, welcome to number 6 of this video series and the final video. This one will deal with disassembling the clarinet and swabbing it out, which is cleaning it. And we do that every time we finish playing. So we have our assembled clarinet here, and we need to take everything apart. So the first thing that we're going to take apart is our reed and ligature. So we'll unscrew the ligature and carefully lift it off. And then we'll take the reed off. Setting our clarinet on a flat surface with the keys facing up, I want you to pause this video and go rinse this reed off in some warm water real quick. All right, so now that we're back, we're going to take our reed and we're going to put it back in our reed case. So the thin end will go in first and the flat end will go on the bottom. Just like that. And that will keep it safe from any damage and we'll keep it nice and flat. We can set that off to the side. And then we need to swab. So in your clarinet case, you should have a swab. It might be a different color, doesn't matter. But at one end, there's a weight. So we're going to hold the weight in one hand and take our clarinet upside down by the bell in the other. And we're going to drop the weight through the bell and feed it through all the way, and it should come out the other end. Then we simply just pull the string all the way through. And we're going to do that 2 or 3 times. So feed it through and pull. And one more time. Feed it through and pull. If it's stuck at all, do not pull it through, force it through. Talk to your teacher and they will be able to help you out. Okay, so now that we've swabbed it, we can take the parts off. So we're going to do it in the reverse order that we put it together. So the last thing we put on is the first thing we take off. So we're going to take the mouthpiece off first. So twist and pull. We're going to put the ligature back onto it so the ligature stays round, it doesn't get damaged. We'll put that inner case in the cap. There we go. Next piece we're going to take off is the barrel. So again, twist and pull. And there might be some moisture in either end of this. We can just wipe it off with our swab and put it back in the case. Next, we're going to take off our upper joint. But remember, we need to push this button down with our thumb. So we're going to do that. And holding that with one hand, holding the bell in the lower joint with the other, we're going to twist and pull. There we go. And again, some moisture on the ends, you can just wipe off. And back in the case. And the last 2 pieces, we're going to just take the bell off of the bottom. And again, we can wipe any moisture that would be on either end of these. And we can put them in our case. There we go. Put everything away. Shut our case. And we are finished. So yay! You did it. You got to the end. I'm super proud of you. Congratulations. We talked about a lot of stuff in these last 6 videos. We talked about the parts of the clarinet and how to put them together. We talked about proper posture and breathing and tonguing. We learned how to make a sound on the mouthpiece. We looked at fingering chart and learned how to read it. And we learned our first 3 notes and made music with them. And then we learned how to disassemble our clarinet and swab it out. And all of these put together, it's just the foundation of clarinet playing. I really, really hope that these videos were helpful to you. And please go back to any of them that you need to and practice the things that we talked about. Every time you do, I promise you will get better and it will get easier each time. Again, my name is Chris. I hope you had a great time doing these videos with me, and I wish you all the best in the future. Congratulations on picking the best instrument out there. Clarinet rules, and I wish you all the best.